Hello class, my name is Mr. Camarena, but you can call me Mr. C. And today we are going to learn how to graph coordinates. Okay, a couple things that we need to go over first are some terms. Number one is coordinate. A coordinate is a group of numbers used to indicate the position of a point. To us, it looks like this. X, Y. All right, another term that we need to know is axis. An axis is a fixed reference line for the measurement of coordinates. Okay, so that would look like this. That is going to be referred to as an axis. Another term that we need to look at is vertical. When the top of a line is directly above the bottom of the line. That would be this line right here, where the top is directly above the bottom. The next one is horizontal. A line that is parallel with the horizon. The horizon is when you look out at the sunset, you see that line right there that the sun is going over. That is called the horizon. That's why this line is called horizontal. Okay? Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is draw our graph. The graph consists of a y-axis and an x-axis. The x-axis is horizontal and the y-axis is vertical. We'll label them like this. Okay? And we will put 5 numbers on it. Now the first thing we do when we look at coordinates is we always read them left to right. And so we are going to read them x first, and then we will read them y second. Okay, so let's look at the first coordinate. The first coordinate will be 1, 5. Okay, so we read the x first. The x-axis is 1. So we look at the x-axis and we find the number 1. Okay? And then we go to the y-axis, which is number 5. We go to the y-axis, and we go up to 5. Now the next step is to find where the 2 lines would connect. And that is going to be your coordinate 1, 5. Okay. Let's do coordinate 3, 3. Okay, remember x first and then y. We read left to right. X-axis on 3. Okay. And then y-axis 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to put the dot, put the point where the 2 lines would meet. And that's going to be your coordinate 3, 3. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do coordinate 4, 2. Okay? Remember, x-axis first, which is 4. So we find 4. And then we go to the y-axis, which is 2. Right here. And then we just find where the 2 lines would connect. Okay, and so this point right here is going to be coordinate 4, 2. Any questions so far? Okay, I am going to be, where's my coordinates? I'm going to be handing out a worksheet that I want you to do. Work on it for 15 minutes. If you need help, let me know. I'll be walking around. Okay, so today we learned graphing coordinates. Your homework would be to finish that worksheet, and I have an extra problem on there where you are not given the coordinates, you are actually given the point on the graph, and see if you can find the coordinates from that point, okay? See you guys tomorrow.